how to turn off DJ mixing on Apple Music. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable or turn off song transitions where the music fades out and then fades into another song every time a song changes in Apple Music. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first way to do this is to open up Apple Music, and then if you're playing a song, select the song so that you can see the other songs that will play next. At the top right here, you'll see 4 buttons. The one on the right will disable DJ mixing within Apple Music, so you can quickly disable it that way. If you turn it on where it's white, then it will do the auto transition, but if you want to turn it off, just unselect it. Additionally, we can turn it off in the settings on our iPhone by opening up the settings, going all the way down to the bottom, selecting apps, then going to the M's for music, selecting music, and then in here, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see song transitions, and you can turn it on or off right here. And if you turn it on, you can change the way it works as well, but I'm going to turn it off. And that's how you turn off song transitions in Apple Music. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.